Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Ken Omolo, and as usual we are all about trading. So yesterday we did a short video showing you guys how the platform looks, how the platform works. That video was for beginners. If you haven't watched it, it's somewhere there, so make sure you watch it at your own free time. Otherwise, today, as we had promised yesterday on that video, we want to show you guys how to trade on Olymp Trade. Before we do that though, I want us to take 5 seconds for you guys to subscribe to this channel. Also make sure that you turn on that notification button after pressing on the subscription button. So our 5 seconds begin now. Have you subscribed? I hope you've done that. So let's continue. Another thing that I want to show you guys on this video is something that is very interesting. I'm feeling itchy inside. So as you can see, my account balance today has reduced to $20,000. Can you guess why? That's because I've withdrawn some money today, and I felt like it's something that I need to show you guys. Let's see. Yes, I've withdrawn $30,000 today. So we traded to yesterday my balance was at $35,000. We traded today and I earned $15,000 on our YouTube channel. So I withdrew 30,000 and left 20,000. Okay, so that is the the reason for my excitement today. So we'll just go back to the platform for beginners who want to learn how to trade. Let's just go back. Let's go back. Okay, yes, so we are back on the platform, and for someone who is just starting out and you want to learn how the Olymp Trade platform works, how to trade on Olymp Trade specifically, I'll show you just that on this video. So we'll go to help because I want to show you with something that is easy to understand. We go to help, then click on how to trade. So this is a trading tutorial for Olymp Trade. It is something that is available on your mobile app. If you have the Android app, it's available. If you have the iOS app, it's available. If you're trading from your laptop, it's also available. If you don't have an account, there is a link on the description of this video. Click on it to create your account. So let's start our training. So yesterday we talked about something very interesting. If you watched that video, then you can remember that we talked about assets on the Olymp Trade platform. So these assets are the things that people trade to make money. Example, on the screen at the moment you can see there is BMW, there is Nike, there is Brent. Brent, we said, is a commodity, yeah. Then we talked about indices. So yeah, I think there is the SP 500 index, there is DAX, and all those others. Then there is Cisco. So there are a lot of assets that you can trade on the Olymp Trade platform. If you go back to that platform, you'll see, if you filter down, you'll see commodities, currencies, indices, ETFs. There are so many. Okay, so those are the things that people trade on the platform to make money. So the explanation here says trading is an activity that lets you earn money on price fluctuations of different assets such as currencies, currency pairs, commodities and stocks. Yeah, so that is just the end of of lesson 1. So we go to lesson 2 and we are shown the chart, yeah, the Olymp Trade chart. So when you create an account in Olymp Trade, this is basically what you'll see. You'll see an area chart on the platform. Okay, in other instances you can also see instead of the area chart, instead of this you can see a bar graph, or you can see candlesticks either the Japanese candlesticks or the Nikkei. Yeah, we talked about all those things yesterday. So luckily on this chart we are shown the area chart, so we'll explain with this. So the chart shows how the price of an asset changes over time. If the line on the chart is going down, it means the price is falling. If it is going up, it means the price is rising. So we can see this illustration here explaining whatever I've just read. So if the line is going up, it means the price of that asset is rising. If it is going down, it means the price of that asset is falling. So on to our next unit, our next topic, whatever it is. So the next one talks about making a forecast. So traders make forecasts on how the price will change in the near future. So such a forecast is called a trade. So example, you can predict that in the near future, this asset will move from this price, the price that is quoted here, to the top. So when you do that, it means you are trading, and it means we can now call you a trader. Yeah, you'll do that just in a few seconds when you will click on those green and red buttons, the ones that you guys are used to. When you click on them, you become a trader. So you can also predict that the asset price will fall in the near future. So when you do that, you are called a trader. On to the next part, which talks about the trading duration, which talks about the different types of products that are offered on the Olymp Trade platform. So there are two products, but as we can see on the screen now, let me just. We'll only be focusing on one, which is FTT. So trades of fixed time duration that offer fixed profit are known as fixed time trades or FTTs. So once in a while when you're trading with us, you'll notice that we are talking about FTTs. So when you hear me mention FTTs, then this is what we mean: trades of fixed duration that offer fixed profits. Okay, so the next thing takes us back to assets. So FTT assets vary in profitability. In this case, you will receive 92% of profit if, when the trade expires, the chart will still be moving in the correct direction. So we've talked about predictions, we've talked about making forecasts. So example, you can forecast that in the next 1 minute, yeah, you can predict that in the next 1 minute this asset price will rise, or you can predict that in the next 1 minute this asset price will fall. Yeah, so after making your prediction in whichever direction, up or down, yeah, if after that 1 minute that asset price is still moving in the same direction that you predicted, then you make your profit up to 92% profits in Olymp Trade. Okay, so I hope you've understood that. So we click on I understand. Personally, I understand. So I'm hoping that you guys are also on the same. You guys are also at par with me. Okay. So the next thing that you need to learn on this platform again is how to set the trade amount. So the minimum trade amount in Olymp Trade is only $1. This is just for illustration purposes. So we will use the negative button to show you how you can reduce the trade amount, and the plus sign to show you guys how you can increase the price. Okay. Forgive me for that. So you can increase the price with the plus sign. So this part here says set the investment amount at $100. Don't worry, this is just training money. Yeah. So if you have an account in Olymp Trade, you'll notice that you have 10,000 demo units somewhere up there. So that amount is for training purposes. You can grow it, or you can trade and grow it, or you can trade and lose it. But if you lose, you shouldn't worry, because it's just training money. So you won't be losing real cash. It shouldn't pinch you. Okay, so we can increase this by 10 to make it 100. So when we do that, you see we are moved to the next tab, which tells us now to select the trade duration. Remember, we said when you're trading on fixed time trades, you will have a fixed, you will need to set the duration before trading. Okay, so this is how you do it. You come here and reduce that to 1 minute if you want to trade on 1 minute trade duration. If you want to trade on 2 minutes, you increase it. If you want to trade on 3, 4, 5, 6, you can even trade for up to 23 hours. Just increase with the plus sign. So the next thing, and hopefully the last thing on this chart right now, is to trade. Yeah, and that is the purpose of this video. So I know you've seen people clicking on those red buttons and on those green buttons, and you're wondering what are these people doing, or what are these things doing. So we've talked about making forecasts. We said you can make a forecast that goes up, or you can make a forecast that goes down. If you make a forecast that goes up, it means you're saying that after the duration that you set, which for this chart is 1 minute, the asset will still continue to move up. If you click on the down button, then it means you're predicting that after the expiration, your asset will still be moving down. So example, we can choose either of these. We can choose up or down, the red or the green button, to see what happens. So acting on intuition, I'll go with the up button on this. After 1 minute, you should see the results. Yes, after 1 minute, we've won $92. We traded with $100. You can see here that we've won $92. So congratulations, your trade was successful. By investing 100, you've earned $92, a 92% return on investment in just 1 minute. So that is the end of our course for today. I hope you've learned something. If you've not learned, you can leave a link. You can leave a comment on the description on the comment section of this video. I'll also leave a link on the description of this video for guys who have not joined Olymp Trade. Yeah, if you want to join, you can click on that. Link to join. Otherwise, for people who have joined and are wondering if trading really makes people rich, I've shown you my account balance. I've shown you my withdrawal for today, and this is my account balance at the moment. Yeah, so I still have $20,000 left, and if you click on that balance, you can differentiate. You can see that this is my live account and this is my demo account. So you can see that in each of them, I've been able to grow my money. Even on the demo account, I've grown it from $10,000 to $201,000. Yeah, so it means that it is very, very much possible to make money with Olymp Trade. Until next time, bye bye. I'm Ken Omolo signing out.